Good morning, students. Today we will learn chapter number 8, Insert the image and printing. In this lesson, we will learn how to insert the image in Excel and how to take a printout of Excel sheet. Graphics. Another way to add an emphasis to your worksheet is it to have a visual aids or graphics. You can insert a picture and clip arts into worksheet. The picture and clip arts can live on your computer or web page. Graphic means pictures you can add in your Excel sheet. The pictures means which is a saved picture in your computer that, and clip art means the clip art images that is available in the PowerPoint presentation, and the collection is saved as available is from the clip art gallery. Means from the clip art gallery you can insert the clip art picture. In the additional picture, the clip art gallery also contains the wide variety of the photograph, movies, and sound that are the ready for your insert, and you can use your worksheet. You can use your own worksheet. Like this clip art pictures, sounds type of pictures also you can add in your Excel sheet, and you can emphasize your Excel worksheet by using this clip art image and make your Excel sheet very attractively. Now we'll see how to insert a clip art picture and insert picture from the file. First we'll see how to insert a clip art picture. To insert a clip art picture, click on the Insert tab. From the illustration group, click on Online Picture. Now click on Online Picture, Insert Picture. Dialog box is appear with the online. Now here which type of the image you want, you can type over here, or you can click on it being image, being search image. Now I want which different type of the, see different types of the pictures are appear, right? Now I want picture related, suppose school. So I will click on the school. So different type of the pictures is appear related the school. See. Now you want a creative image. So tick mark on this Creative Commons. So creative image will appear. But I want clip art. So from here, see this one before the creative. This one is the filter icon. If I click on this drop down list will appear. From the type option, choose the clip art option. Now I am clicking the clip art option, so clip art images come. From clip art image, which one you like, that you have to select. Now suppose I like back to school. So I will click on this image. So this green tick mark you can see. See here, if I click here, green tick mark. I have selected two pictures, so it's showing two, but I don't want two, I want only a one. So I will select the one image and click on the insert. Now after clicking the insert, that images appear on your Excel screen. See Excel sheet, this images appear. So this way you can insert your clip art image on your Excel sheet. See this images appear. Now I want to insert a picture from file. File means already I have saved in my PC. So click on the Insert tab. From the illustration group, click on the picture. Now after clicking on the picture, see where you saved your picture, go on that location. I have saved my picture on the picture folder. From here, I want to select the flowers. I like to insert the flowers, so I will click on the flower option. Flower folder I have selected. See here different type of flower I have saved over here. So which type of flower you like to insert, that you have to select and then click on the insert. See your flower images appear on the Excel sheet. See this one is the clip art which we have inserted from the net and select already means net type of online, and this is from file means whichever we saved in our computer. So this way we can insert a clip art and insert picture from file also. After completing your work, this one you want to on your paper means this one you want on your paper. So what you have to do, you have to take a printer. So you can print the entire particle worksheet and workbook, one at time or several at once. And if the data that you want to print in the Microsoft Excel table, you can just print the Excel table. Means suppose this Excel table also you want to take a print, so you can print only select the option Excel table. So only this much also you can take print. You can also print the workbook to file instant of a of to a print. Means you can take an instant printout also. It is useful when you need to print the workbook or different type of the printer from the one at that originally used to print. You can use this printout of different type of the printer also, and you can take a print particle worksheet means one part of the worksheet also you can take, or whole workbook means all the worksheet together you can take a printout means one also you can then and more than one. So you want to take a more than one, for that you have to select the whole how many worksheets you want to take a print. And to select the whole worksheet, you have to press the control key with the one hand and select your worksheet by clicking the mouse. See, I have selected now my worksheet. I want these four sheets and one chart. This all I want to take a printout. So I have selected and now click on the file and click on the print. After clicking on the file and print, see whole worksheet I can see on the screen. See here in the preview, you can see my whole worksheet. All the worksheets are there. So this selection is done. Now, what type of how many copies you want that you can select. And now you want to fax. So you can if you don't want fax, you want to make a print Microsoft print to PDF. So you can do it. And then click on the print option. When you click on the print option, save printout print output as dialog box will appear, and where you want to save there you can save and give your file name. See here I have already one file name is given, and then click on the save. As you click on the save, and then it will take a printout continuously one by one. And see now screen children, I have taken a printout. See I have saved your file, so one part is appear, one part is appear. See here because I have select the PDF. Right now. So this way whole the PDF is ready and it will give a printout on your page. This is whole worksheet. Now suppose you don't want whole, you want only a single. So what you will do? Click on the file and click on the print and active sheet. See from the setting active sheet which type of the sheet you want. Active sheet, entire workbook, selection, selected. So if you want to selected, so you can use a selected. See now I'm this much I have selected and click on the file, print. So you can choose the option print selection. Print selection means whatever you selected cells that only come. Active sheet means which one sheet is your activated. My third sheet is activated, so it will take a print. And now suppose you want Excel table only. So first select your Excel table. See, I have select my Excel table. Now press the Control P or go on the file and P. And now from Excel sheet, see a last one option print selected table. So table Excel table is selected. If you click right and number of copy, how many copies you want that you can give, and then give a print command. From here, I showed you, you want a fax, you want to do a PDF, you want to XPS document, whatever the type of you want, you can select it. Give a number of copy, 5 copy if you want, click on the 5 number, or increase the number or decrease the number by using a spinner. Now I want a table only, so I will select the table and then click on the print option. You want the landscape, letter side, see portrait. My this one is portrait. Now you want to own landscape, so click on the landscape. So your paper is changed on the landscape, right? Which paper size you want? A4. So you have to select the A4 paper size. Margin and all these things you can change the setting. Now I want suppose entire sheet, active sheets, so you can do this one also, active sheets. So whatever that comes in the sheets, that all thing is showing. This all thing is selection and then click on the print. After clicking on the print, it will appear on your screen. This way you can give print out, print option, and you can use the print option for your Excel printout.